Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you WhatsApp features you probably know or a WhatsApp trick you should know. Go to WhatsApp first. Now, click on three dot icon which is top right corner. Go to settings. Now go privacy, the second option. Scroll down and you'll find here groups. Click on this. Sometimes you see that you don't know people but you are in a group already. So these features will help you to know restrict that person who can add you in groups. Okay, so you can see here that everyone, if it's everyone, that's mean everyone can add you to their group. But if you click on my contacts, or only of all of your contacts, any person can add you in a group. Or if you click on my contacts except, so you can choose the person who can uh, add you in a group. Okay, so just click on my contacts, the middle one, that would be fine for you. Okay guys, so that's what I have to talk about it. So if you guys find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.